In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter credit card expenses in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through this step by step so you understand not just what to click, but why you're doing it. This will help keep your books accurate and make reconciliation a lot smoother later on. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and head to your main dashboard. From here, you'll want to go to the Accounting section. Depending on your layout, this might be called Accounting, or you may need to click into your chart of accounts. This is where all of your accounts live, including bank accounts, credit cards, income, and expense categories. Think of it as the master list that tells QuickBooks where to store every transaction. Once you're in the chart of accounts, look for the credit card account you want to use. This should be the specific card where the expense was actually charged. When you find it, go over to the right side and click on View Register. The register is like a digital checkbook for that particular credit card, showing every transaction that's been recorded. At the top of the register, you'll see an option to add a new transaction. Click on the drop-down there and choose CC Expense. This tells QuickBooks that you're entering a credit card purchase, not a payment or a refund. Using the correct transaction type is important because it affects how your balances and reports appear. Next, enter the details of the expense. Start with the date, which should match the date the charge actually occurred, not necessarily the date it appears on your statement. Then add the vendor or merchant name, such as the store or service provider you paid. Finally, enter the amount of the purchase. Take a moment to double-check these details because small mistakes can cause confusion when you're reviewing your books later. Now you'll select the appropriate account for the expense. This is the category that best describes what you bought, such as office supplies, utilities, travel, or meals. Choosing the right account here helps your profit and loss reports accurately reflect where your money is going. If you're unsure which category to use, try to stay consistent with similar past transactions, or check with your accountant. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and click Save. The expense will be recorded in the credit card register, and your credit card balance will update accordingly. That's all there is to it. By following these steps each time you have a credit card purchase, you'll keep your QuickBooks Online file clean, organized, and ready for accurate reporting and reconciliation.